All right, again, I'm in Warren, Mich. Poured basement wall, leaky basement. All right, somebody poured concrete here, not this homeowner, previous homeowner. They caulk along the perimeter. The basement. All right, so I saw cut the concrete. I started knocking it out. Bradley. The idiots. This is a walkway now, not a freaking driveway or approach or the street. And hello, let's try to divert the water from A to B, from the back to the front. Okay, I got something I need to divert. Got that? Got milk?